Welcome to Solar Power Math, where I help you with some math concepts so that you can become a more successful student in the math classroom. Today's topic is multiplying binomials. Binomials have two terms, and the acronym to help us remember how to multiply binomials is called FOIL, where we multiply our first, outer, inner, and last terms together. And this is really just to help you not forget to multiply any terms because all terms need to be multiplied here. So let's get started with our first example. X plus 3 times x minus 6. We're going to multiply our first term with our first term in the first term in the first binomial with the first term in the second binomial. So that would be x times x. Outer terms, so x and negative 6 are the outer terms here. X times negative 6. Inner terms, 3 and x. They're on the inside of this whole problem. So 3 times x. And then our last in the first binomial is 3, and the last in the second binomial is negative 6. So then we just need to multiply all of these things together. X times x, if we remember our exponent rules, they both have a power of 1. So you add your powers together when you multiply. So that would be x squared plus negative 6 times x is minus 6x. And 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. And we can add our negative 6 and 3x together because they are like terms. Negative 6x plus 3x is negative 3x. And then plus negative 18, well, the same, adding a negative is the same thing as just subtracting. So this would be our final answer, x squared minus 3x minus 18. Let's go to our next one. 2y minus 3 times y minus 4. First with first. So 2y times y. Outer on the left with outer on the right. So 2y times negative 4. Inner two terms are negative 3 and y, so negative 3 times y. And your last term in the first binomial with your last term in the second binomial is negative 3 times negative 4. 2y times y is 2y squared. 2y times negative 4 is a minus 8y. Negative 3 times y is a minus 3y. And negative 3 times 4 is a plus 12. Again, we can combine like terms with the 8y and the 3y. So negative 8y minus 3y is negative 11y. And so our final answer is 2y squared minus 11y plus 12. All right, last one. A plus 3b times 4a minus b. First with first, so a times 4a. Outer with outer, so a times negative b. Inner two terms, 3b and 4a. And our last term with our last term, 3b times negative b. A times 4a is 4a squared. A times negative b is negative ab. 3b times 4a is 12ab. And 3b times negative b is a minus 3b squared. Now we have our, again, the inner two terms are like terms because they both have an ab variable. So we would have 4a squared negative 1ab plus 12ab is 11ab minus 3b squared. And so there is your final answer. I hope this helped you in multiplying binomials. Give this video a like if it helped.